Digital India, Paperless India. Digital India is a campaign launched by Government of India to provide Indian citizens with electronic government services and to make India a digitally empowered country. It is a very effective and efficient technique which will not only save time but paper and manpower as well to a great extent. This initiative was taken on 1st of July 2015 and is aimed to be completed till 2019. It is a very effective program which will able to connect the people of rural areas to high-speed internet connection. So the citizens of Digital India will be able to improve their skills and knowledge after getting covered under this vast umbrella of internet. And that is why I think it is one of the most effective versions of already existing National E-Governance Plan. Now, one of the main motives of Digital India is to reduce paper usage and paper documentation. And for this, various steps, or I must say various successful steps are being taken by central and state government. One of the recent example of this can be taken from the admission process of Rajasthan University 2016-17. This year, Rajasthan University announced online admission for the UG courses which was totally paperless. And this registration process, as expected, saved more than 1.5 lakh A4 size of sheets. Also nowadays in Parliament, annual reports from Ministry, committee reports, unstate questions, etc. are uploaded on Parliament website so that it can be accessed easily. Also nowadays availability of 4G Wi-Fi and iPhones are done so that this plan can become successful. So Digital India is supported by all over India. More and more people are joining this, and I think soon India will become independent. That is, India will become paperless. That is, the use of paper will decline, and Digital India will help us to do day-to-day works. The time will come when it will transform us from a modern level to an advanced level, and we will be called as developed India. Thank you, and have a nice day.